Hey guys, how are you all? Myself Akram from Unkickable again with another video. In today's video, I am going to review a product which is Honor Band 5. This is the product which I have already unboxed and I have used for 7 days. I think that it is going to be beneficial for most of them. So basically, I have checked online for the best band. I got two of the bands. That is, one is MI Band 4, I think, and the second one is Honor Band 5. And over here the latest one is Honor Band 5i, but I think it is having less features, so I have gone with this particular band. Before that, let's check out with the unboxing. So this is the band. You can find all the features over here. And when we click this, it is going to go back to main screen, that is home screen. So basically the quality is good and it is having AMO LED touchscreen, and basically it is having 80 plus screens. That is, you can change the screens anytime. So let's keep all these customizations and everything aside and let's talk about the features. So basically it is going to take 1 to 1.5 hours to charge completely, and it is going to discharge just after 6.5 days after using all the features it is having. So over here I was using continuously, and it is having heart rate. It is going to monitor heart rate 24/7. It is having SpO2, that is basically blood saturation levels, where red blood cells take oxygen with it, and it is going to check out with the oxygen level in our blood. That is very important for us to check out with. So it is not going to give SpO2 levels every time. It is not going to monitor every time. Whenever we check that, it is going to show the level, that is in percentage, and instead of that it is going to show the sleeping patterns. So whenever you sleep on your chair, it is not going to show anything on your band, but it is going to show only night sleep and all the naps. So I'm going to show everything on my mobile, so you will be able to understand about how it is going to calculate everything and how it is going to monitor each and everything in this. It is also going to give all the options for us in workout system. So over here we have 10 patterns, that is outdoor running, indoor running, outdoor walking, outdoor cycling, indoor cycling, swimming, free training, that is whatever the training you do in gym or anything, or indoor walking, rowing machine, and electrical training. So it is going to give all the options, and basically what you need to do every time is whenever you do any type of training, you need to specifically switch to that particular training and then you need to start that. So because over here you get the option to choose the time to give an alarm, that is it is going to vibrate. Over here I started doing high intensity workout where I want to stop that workout within 10 minutes, and it is going to give alarm at the same time, that is it is going to vibrate, so I can stop without checking out with time. Whenever you receive a notification on your mobile, whatever the content you get on notification bar, it is going to show the same content on this band. And whenever you receive a call, it is going to give the option to cancel the call. So basically over here I just want to say one thing: if you want to go with more battery backup but less features, then you can go with MI band. And if you want to go with more features but you're okay with less battery backup, then you can go with Honor Band 5. So let's check out with what options we have on our mobile app. So this is the Huawei Health app which you can find over here. So this is the main screen which you can find, and over here I have edit option where I can add these two options, that is weight and stress, but there is no stress option on this band, so I just removed that, and I just don't want to have this weight option. Also we have exercise rate. Whenever you go into this, You can check out. I had done it for 10 minutes 4 seconds, and over here you can see the average BPM, that is beats per minute. And whenever we click on this, we can find more information. You can find each and everything over here, and in chart also you can find maximum information. And let's check out with our heart rate itself. So over here right now I am not wearing, so it is not showing anything. Let's go with last date. So over here I did not wear in this particular time, that is whatever the gap you can find over here, and over here also I did not wear, so it is not showing anything. As I was at workout, it is showing high. Next is related to sleep time. Basically this is yesterday's sleep time. So I slept for 5 hours 4 minutes, that is starting from 3:48 to 8:52. And over here it has shown as 39 minutes, that is basically from 9:33 to 10:12. So coming up to exercise part, either you can use band option, that is all these options, or you can use everything over here and you can start your workout from mobile itself. And the third part is devices, where you need to add your device. Over here you can add any number of devices, and the last part is your profile and setting information. So basically you can find all the information by downloading this particular app, and whenever you purchase you can directly go to devices and add your device. I think it is going to be helpful for you. If you want to get this product, you can buy it from the link in description. So this for today guys, thanks for watching. Please smash that like button if you like this video, and please go down below and click on red subscribe button to support my channel. Have a nice day, see you in next video, and finally be unique to be unkickable.